Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make a new stitch pattern, and it is called a crossed double crochet. For this pattern, our foundation chain is a multiple of 3 plus 2. So let's get started. Make your slip knot. Make your foundation chain multiples of 3. So once you have your foundation chain multiples of 3, before we start for our first row, we're going to add 2 more and 1 more. So for our first row, we're going to make a single crochet row, and we're going to start single crochet on our second chain from the hook. So make your single crochet for the entire row until our last chain. So now we have made our single crochet row. For the second row, we're going to chain 3 and turn your work. We are going to skip 2 chains, okay, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the third chain. One double crochet, make a chain of 1, and we're going back and make 1 double crochet, not the chain beside the double crochet, but here on the first one that we skipped. So yarn over and insert your hook on that chain. Again, we're going to skip 2 chains and insert your hook and make 1 double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1. Again, we're going to make 1 double crochet, skipping 1 chain after the double crochet that we made. So the first one that we skipped. Just like so. So we're going to repeat this one until our last chain. So skipping 2 chains, 1 double crochet on the next chain, chain 1, and we're going to insert our hook on the first chain that we skipped and make 1 double crochet, crossing over the double crochet that we first made. Again, skipping 2 chains, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over and make 1 double crochet on the first chain that we skipped. So they have a chain in between. So repeat until our last chain. We're going to make 1 double crochet on the very last chain. So we have done our last cross pattern, and we have our last chain here, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the chain. It's very nice pattern. For our next row, we're just going to make a chain of 1 and turn your work, and we're going to make 1 single crochet in every chain. Our chain 1 will not be counted as a stitch. Insert your hook on the first chain and make your first single crochet on the double crochet. Remember, we made a chain of 1, so make a single crochet on that one, So we're going to make one single crochet on top of our double crochets and on the chain one in between them. And insert your hook on the first chain that we skipped. So skip 2 chains, and on the third one, 1, 2, and on the third, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and on the first skip chain, we're going to make our first 1 double crochet, crossing over the first double crochet that we made. So this is very easy to follow, very easy to do, very flexible pattern as well. So you can increase your foundation chain multiples of 3 plus 2 plus 1. Depending on the project that you're making, you can make use of any yarn of your choice and the corresponding crochet hook that you need for your yarn. Today, please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for joining me today. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.